Ever pondered how your seafood consumption might be influencing your heart's health? Today we're delving into the deep blue to unravel the connection between the wonders of the sea and the well-being of your heart. This video serves as your guide to understanding the impact of seafood on cardiovascular health, backed by scientific research and facts. We'll be exploring the intricate relationship between our love for seafood and its potential implications on heart health, breaking down complex scientific jargon into digestible pieces of information. Expect to gain insights on the types of seafood that can improve heart health, the ideal amount of seafood you should consume, and the potential risks of overconsumption. So, are you ready to dive in? There's a whole ocean of knowledge waiting to be discovered. And remember, there's more to find in the playlist. Make sure to subscribe, share, and comment. Your interaction helps us bring more valuable content to you. Scene script: start by understanding the relationship between seafood and heart health. So, what's the catch with seafood? Why is it often touted as a heart-healthy choice? Let's dive right in. Seafood, whether it's fish, shellfish, or crustaceans, is a treasure trove of nutrients. It's packed with high-quality protein, which is essential for many bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues and making enzymes and hormones. Not just that, seafood is also low in unhealthy saturated fats, making it a healthier protein source compared to many meat products. But the true star of the show when it comes to seafood is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These are a type of fat that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. And seafood, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, is one of the best sources out there. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have numerous health benefits, particularly for heart health. They help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. They can also lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, slow the development of plaque in the arteries, and help reduce the risk of arrhythmias, which are abnormal heart rhythms that can lead to heart disease and heart failure. Now let's touch upon cardiovascular diseases. These are a group of disorders affecting the heart and blood vessels. They include conditions like coronary heart disease, cerebrovascular disease, and peripheral arterial disease, among others. Cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of death globally, taking millions of lives each year. But here's where seafood comes into play. Regular consumption of seafood, thanks to its rich omega-3 fatty acids content, can help reduce the risk of developing these diseases or manage them if you already have them. It's like a delicious prescription for a healthier heart. Intriguing, isn't it? How something so delicious can also be so beneficial. Numbers don't lie, and they have quite a story to tell about seafood and heart health. When we delve into the realm of statistics and scientific research, the correlation between seafood consumption and a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases becomes strikingly apparent. Let's start unraveling these statistics, shall we? The American Heart Association has published several studies over the years that consistently show a correlation between increased fish consumption and a decreased risk of heart diseases. In one such study, it was found that people who ate seafood at least once a week had a significantly lower risk of dying from heart disease compared to those who seldom or never ate seafood. Not convinced yet? Let's look at the Mediterranean diet, a dietary pattern renowned for its heart health benefits. It's rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and importantly, seafood. Studies have found that people following this diet have a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. And this isn't just a one-off finding. Multiple studies across various demographics and geographical locations have found similar results. Now let's take a detour to the land of the rising sun, Japan. The Japanese are known for their longevity, and their diet is rich in seafood. According to the World Health Organization, Japan has one of the lowest rates of heart disease globally. Coincidence? The statistics seem to think not. But it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. Research shows that the type of seafood consumed plays a crucial role. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, are particularly beneficial for heart health. However, it's important to remember that statistics, while powerful, are not definitive proof. They indicate trends and correlations, not causations. For instance, a person who eats more seafood might also be more likely to engage in other healthy behaviors like regular exercise or avoiding smoking. So, while the numbers are compelling, they are part of a larger, more complex equation. Numbers indeed paint a vivid picture of how seafood can help keep your heart beating strong. Beyond the numbers, let's delve into the tangible benefits of seafood for heart health. It's no secret that the ocean offers us a treasure trove of edible delights, but did you know that many of these aquatic edibles are also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly boost our heart health? Let's start with the omega-3 fatty acids, the superstars of seafood. These essential fats are like little health warriors, fighting off inflammation within our bodies. Inflammation is often the root cause of many chronic diseases, including heart disease. By reducing inflammation, omega-3 fatty acids help keep our hearts healthy and robust. But that's not all. Omega-3 fatty acids have a knack for lowering blood pressure as well. High blood pressure is a silent killer, often leading to heart attacks and strokes. Including omega-3 rich seafood in your diet can help keep your blood pressure in check, providing a natural defense against these life-threatening conditions. Next, let's talk about triglycerides, a type of fat found in our blood. High levels of triglycerides can increase the risk of heart disease. Here again, omega-3 fatty acids come to the rescue, helping to decrease triglyceride levels and further reducing the risk of heart disease. Now, you might be wondering which types of seafood pack the most punch when it comes to these heart-healthy benefits. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, but don't overlook shellfish like oysters and mussels. They too are filled with these beneficial fats. So, whether you're a fan of fish, a shellfish aficionado, or just someone who enjoys a good seafood platter now and then, remember that these oceanic offerings are not only delicious but also packed with heart-healthy nutrients. So it seems that seafood is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your heart. Like all good things, seafood too should be consumed in moderation. One might be tempted to gorge on seafood given its myriad health benefits, but it's crucial to remember that the proverbial phrase, "too much of anything is bad," rings true here as well. While seafood is a powerhouse of nutrients, overindulging in it can have potential risks. One such risk is mercury poisoning. Mercury, a heavy metal, is present in our oceans due to various environmental factors. Fish and shellfish can absorb this mercury, which then accumulates in our bodies when we consume seafood. High levels of mercury in the human body can lead to serious health issues, including damage to the nervous system. The risk of mercury poisoning, though, should not deter you from reaping the benefits of seafood. Rather, it should serve as a reminder to consume seafood judiciously. The key is to strike a balance. Incorporate a variety of protein sources in your diet to ensure you're getting a well-rounded mix of essential nutrients. Besides, not all seafood carries the same level of mercury. For instance, salmon and shrimp have relatively low levels of mercury compared to swordfish or shark. By choosing wisely, you can still enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of seafood without the worry of mercury poisoning. Moreover, it's not just about the type of seafood, but also about the way it's prepared. Grilling or steaming is a healthier option than deep frying, which can add unnecessary fats to your diet. And while you're at it, remember to keep the sauces and condiments in check. Too much salt, for example, can counteract the heart-healthy benefits of seafood. So the bottom line is this: seafood is indeed a boon for heart health, but like anything else, it should be consumed in moderation. A balanced diet coupled with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle is the ultimate recipe for a healthy heart. Remember, the key to a healthy heart is not just eating seafood, but eating it wisely. As we near the end of our journey, let's revisit the key points we've explored. We've delved into the intricate relationship between seafood and heart health, explaining how the omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. We've also unraveled some compelling statistics that highlight the potential benefits of including seafood in your diet. Furthermore, we took a deeper dive into these benefits, shedding light on how they can contribute to overall health and well-being. Yet, we also emphasized the significance of moderation. Despite the numerous benefits, it's crucial to maintain a balanced diet and not overindulge in seafood, as it can lead to other health issues. And there you have it, the seafood-heart connection in a nutshell. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into your health and well-being. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.